Well, good afternoon, my YouTube family and friends. This is Antoinette, and of course, I'm bringing you another one of my house plants. Um, well, let's see. This is the first time that I'm introducing her. I thought I had a video of her, but apparently I didn't. So, if you are familiar with my videos, you know that my mom had a lot of plants in her grow room. This is one of those plants. And last year when I pulled it out, I it was all droopy and stuff, but it was still alive. So I put it in the window and I just started watering it occasionally, and it has bounced back so beautifully. I can't believe it. I honestly, I thought this plant was going to die. I really did. I was expecting for it to die. It reminds me of a peace lily, and if I'm not mistaken, I think it did grow a white flower. I think. But I have my friend Diane who can help me. I tried to Google the peace lilies and all I got was the regular peace lilies with the white flower, but I couldn't find this plant with the variegated leaves on it. And so maybe I'm wrong about this plant. Maybe it's not in the family of a peace lily, and maybe it's something else. And maybe I didn't see a white flower grow on this here plant last year. I don't know, but I wanted to share it with you. Now, it wasn't this full last year when I pulled it out, but I want to show you how it is growing all in the inside. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. How it is like growing. Where's that new one? Like all of that, that's new. All of this is new. That one is new. Um, this, like you could tell, like this one here, that one was there. That one was there already. You can tell the new ones from the ones that were there already. Like these two were there. These two were there already. But all the new ones, these are all the new ones inside. Check it out. I'm so happy. And then the leaves are all pretty. They're all pretty in the variegation, and I like that. And of course, the shininess on my leaves is from my neem oil. But look at that. That is so pretty. I like that. And so, okay. And so you see right here, there's a spider plant in there. And look, if you see my other videos, you'll know that I don't like throwing plants away. So if one breaks off of one plant, I'll stick it in the dirt of another one just to see if it'll start growing. And it did. So now I have another spider plant. I have another spider plant, guys. Yeah, and wait, and I think there was two in here. Yeah, there's the other one. Yeah, so this is my plant. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm going to break it apart eventually and give some to my daughters, because what I decided to do was all the plants that were my mom's, I'm going to break them up and make a plant for my daughters, so they can each have a plant from grandma. So, yeah, I got a lot of breaking up to do, and it's going to take me a while. So, tell me what you think about this plant? What is this? Oh, huh. Look at this, man. That's just pretty. So tell me what you think about the plant. If you know the name of the plant, that would help. Yeah. So in the meantime, guys, remember to love each other, give them a hug, and appreciate the small things. Thank you so much for viewing my video. God bless you all. Bye-bye.